Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make this carrot oil for natural hair and skin. It tones and lightens up the skin when applied on the skin, and it has a great benefit for the hair as well. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. Let's get started. So to start, I have my carrot. Carrot is an excellent moisturizer for the hair and also for the skin. It is a powerhouse of vitamin A and vitamin E, and which are beneficial for the hair. And it helps in hair growth, and it also helps in preventing hair loss. Regular use of carrot oil helps in strengthening the hair and makes it shinier. So I'm using 2 medium size of carrots, and at this point I'm going to wash it with a clean water. And after washing it, then I damp with a tissue paper. To avoid water in it. So at this point I'm using my scraper to scrape the carrot. I didn't remove the bag because it is packed with vitamins. So at this point, after scraping it, then I use a knife to cut it into pieces to shred it more. At this point, I'm spreading it in a pan. After spreading it in a pan, I leave it under the sun for 4 hours, and here is the result. After 4 hours, I have it. I'll put it in my clean jar. So the oil I'm using for this carrot oil is sunflower oil, and sunflower oil is a light oil, and that's why, because I'm going to use this carrot oil on my skin, that's why I selected this oil. Sunflower oil is very good on the skin. So after adding it to the carrot, I'm going to leave it for 2 weeks, and after 2 weeks, this is the result of the carrot oil. Guys, this oil is so good on the skin. It tones the skin and it brightens the skin as well. So here our carrot oil is ready. Just using my strainer, I strain my carrot oil, and here's the final result. Guys, if you love this video, this tutorial, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share my videos and like them. Comment if you have any question. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you find this video interesting. Thank you so much, guys, for your support. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.